Black & Decker Multipurpose Pro 2-in-1 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The manual. The base of the charging stand. The 3-in-1 brush head. And the shoulder strap. And the shoulder strap can be used when you split the hoover into two. And that's the 3-in-1 attachment. That's the main handle for the upright, and it can be extended, and that can be attached to the detachable part of the hoover. And here's the main hoover unit. And that is the back of the charging stand. And it comes with a couple of screws and roll plugs, so you can screw the stand to a wall if necessary. Now when it's unboxing, it's just a quick assembly. There's only really a couple of parts to put on. That's the flexible hose, and to attach the unit, that is the cylindrical unit that you can carry around for doing the stairs or the upholstery or in tight awkward spaces. And it easily attaches back to the main stand, and the hose clips back in. And there's the power button on the top, and it has built-in 2 LED lights. It has a button for activating the multi-roller, and you can adjust the power settings. The handle just clips into the top. And that is the hoover, or the vacuum cleaner, fully assembled. It's a 2-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner with handheld unit, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime, although on full power and with roller brush active you get an average of 15 minutes, which is enough for the average household. the swivel head on this vacuum cleaner makes it easy to manoeuvre. And swivel in almost any direction. It manages to get into the cleaner pretty well. As you can see here, the power changes from carpet to wooden floor. It goes to a lower setting and back onto the rug, and the power increases. This is the charging stand. As you can see, there's two prongs there that meet up with the two prongs on the back of the vacuum cleaner. So when you've finished using the vacuum cleaner, you just place the vacuum cleaner back on the stand, and then it instantly starts charging. Although the charging speed is a bit slow, of 5 to 6 hours. Although once you've finished, you can just put it back on the stand and it'll switch itself off once fully charged. Another quick demonstration of how to go from an upright vacuum cleaner to the handheld vacuum cleaner. Just click the back button, remove the handle from the upright vacuum, remove the attach tool, plug into the hose onto the bottom of the handle. It can then be extended. Place the attachment onto the end of the handle, and if you're doing upholstery, you can open up It's extremely easy to clean out and empty the unit. You can push the pad down to compress all the dust, and to empty, just press the button, empty, and the clip close. And if you need to remove the inner filter, that can be cleaned, add it back in, and that can clip back into the vacuum cleaner.